अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम चैप्टर 25 इकोलॉजी में से जो पास्ट पेपर्स में क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं उनको डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। सबसे पहले आ जाते हैं एमसीक्यूज़। विच इज़ नॉट अ माइक्रोन्यूट्रेंट? सल्फर। एसोसिएशन बिटवीन फंगस एंड एल्गी इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ lichens. The green photosynthetic plants which capture and bring light energy into the ecosystems are producers. A change in community structure of an ecosystem over a period of time is called succession. Who proposed the term niche in ecology? Grinnell in 1917. In ecosystem, second trophic level consists of primary consumers. The succession in pond is called hydrosphere. Succession on dry land is called xerosphere. Biome is a regional community. The bacteria in root nodules fix nitrogen and convert it into amino acids. Productivity can be identified by consumption of carbon dioxide. Which of these is an example of predator-prey relationship? Fox and rabbit. In zoonosis, polytrichum represent most stage, a group of interpreting individuals belonging to same species and sharing a common geographical area is called population. Lichens are example of mutualism. Succession begins by a few hardy invaders called pioneers. The actual location or place where an organism lives called habitat. नेक्स्ट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं। डिफाइन अ हैबिटेट, डिफाइन ऑटोकोलॉजी विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल, डिफाइन बायोस्फीयर, डिफाइन बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल, डिफाइन फूड चेन विद एग्जाम्पल, डिफाइन फूड वेब, define grazing, define parasitism and give its significance, define synecology, differentiate between the autoecology and synecology, differentiate between consumer and decomposer, differentiate between the food chain and food web, what is difference between the predator and prey, differentiate between the habitat and niche, differentiate between hydrosphere and xerosphere, differentiate between the lichen and mycorrhiza, compare population with community, explain the biotic components of an ecosystem, what is predation, give its significance, what are lichens and mycorrhiza, what are lichens, what is commensalism, give example, what is grazing, how grazer affect the texture of the soil, what is mycorrhiza, what is ecological niche, write about decomposers, write brief note on secondary succession, what is succession, write down the significance of root nodules, bacteria and plant, differentiate between the biomes and biosphere, what are producers and consumers, sketch 3 main steps in nitrogen cycle, how primary succession differ from secondary succession, what is mutualism, give example. Long questions. Define succession and describe succession on land, describe nitrogen cycle in detail, ये repeatedly आया हुआ है. Define xerosphere, describe its stages, explain the biotic components of ecosystem, write short note on grazing, define the following terms: habitat, niche, food web, succession, define the following terms: habitat, niche, food web and climax community, explain food web and its tropical level. Hopefully ये आपके लिए helpful होगा. Thank you.